Hello and welcome to this Sefam tutorial. Today we will show you how to connect your NEA device to the Sefam Access mobile app. Open the Sefam Access Lite application on your phone. You can then navigate to the Device tab to search for your type of CPAP device. Select NEA. This will start a search. Once your device serial number appears on your smartphone, tap on it. Your NEA device will ask you to confirm the pairing, press confirm, and the connection with your phone will be established instantly. Your latest therapy data will then appear on the screen. In the detailed data section, you can use the top menu to browse different categories such as events, duration, or leak. You can also access additional features such as Wi-Fi settings. That's all for now. Feel free to watch our other videos. See you soon.